how to redeem Discord Nitro code. If you'd like to do so, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So on your desktop or browser, you can open up your Discord, and log in into your account. And once you are logged in, you may look out for the settings icon. So you can go to user settings, which is right here in this left hand side, open it up, and once you open it up, your profile details and everything opens up. Now in your left hand side from the given menu, scroll down until you reach over to this gift inventory section under payment settings. So find it up and open it up. And once you open it up, here in this page, you can directly find the section to redeem code. So here you can redeem a code for Nitro or a game. So enter the code here. Once you do so, you can click on redeem. And once confirmed, that way you can redeem the code from official sources for your Discord. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.